What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find your Binance wallet address. Now you can do the same steps on your phone. Okay, if you are using the app, if you are using the web version, you can do the same steps. If you are using the app inside your phone, you can do the same steps. Now to find your Binance wallet address, the first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to click on wallet in the top right. After you log in into your account, you want to click on wallet in the top right, and then you want to click on fiat and spot. So after, guys, you click on fiat and spot, you will find here different cryptos, like cryptocurrencies. Okay, now for example, if you want to get the Bitcoin wallet address, you just need to click on deposit. Okay, like each crypto, each coin has a different wallet address. That's what you need to know, guys. Like, you can just give someone your Binance wallet address. You can give them the wallet address of a specific coin. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. So if you want, for example, to give someone so that they can send you Ethereum, you can just click on deposit next to Ethereum. In the action section, you want to click on deposit, or Bitcoin, you want to click on deposit. Okay, and then you want to select the network, which is BNB Smart Chain, and this is your wallet address. You want to copy it, but after you give someone your Bitcoin wallet address, make sure, like, as you can see, it's Bitcoin. If you want to select another crypto, you can just select something from the list, like Ethereum, BNB, whatever you want. Like, each one, like I said, has a different address. So this one is for Bitcoin, as you can see in the top. This address is for Bitcoin, but make sure if you give them this address, if you give them this wallet address, make sure you tell them that it's Bitcoin wallet address, and make sure you tell them the network is BNB Smart Chain. Okay, make sure you tell them that the network is BNB Smart Chain, and just copy this wallet address and then give it to someone. Then they can send you Bitcoin if that's what you want. If you are going to receive, for example, Ethereum, you want to select Ethereum and click on deposit, and then select the network, and then tell them the network that you have selected, and then give them the address. Okay, this is the address.